You should almost always use more than one supplier instead of relying on just one, because spreading out where you get your materials or services from protects you from price spikes, shortages, and delays that can stop a project cold. Think of it like this. If you only have one friend who can drive you to school and that friend gets sick one day, you are stuck with no way to get there. The same thing happens in business or home projects when you only use one supplier. If that supplier runs out of stock, raises their prices, or shuts down for a few weeks, your whole project stalls. A lot of people do not realize that many smart contractors keep at least 2 or 3 suppliers for the same materials, even if they usually buy from their favorite one just so they always have a backup ready to go. This is called supplier diversification, and it is one of the biggest secrets experienced project managers use to avoid getting stuck. The actionable move here is to build relationships with at least 2 suppliers for anything important, even if you rarely use the second one, so you already have trust and pricing set up before an emergency happens. One common mistake is assuming that using multiple suppliers automatically means more paperwork and hassle, when really you can start small by just getting quotes from a second supplier once every few months to compare pricing and reliability. Another misconception is thinking that sticking with one supplier gets you the best loyalty discount, but in reality, having competition between suppliers often gets you better pricing overall. A big thing people overlook is quality consistency, since different suppliers may have slightly different materials, so always ask for samples or specifications before switching or splitting orders between them. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app called JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.